Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Smoking causes wrinkles. Yes, smoking does cause wrinkles. If you are a teenager or a young adult who hasn't yet developed a 3-pack a day habit, don't start. You have friends that smoke and you think it looks cool, or you think that taking up smoking will help you lose weight, or you have another reason for wanting to smoke. None of those are good reasons for taking up a habit that is going to cause you to die many years sooner than you normally would, or to have skin that looks 20 years older than it should. If you already have a big smoking habit, it is never too late to quit, and you can still add years to your expected lifespan, as well as a more youthful appearance to your skin. 30-year-old smokers have skin that is the equivalent to the skin of a 50-year-old non-smoker. All tobacco contains skin irritants. Cigarettes contain tar, carbon monoxide, arsenic and formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is a gas that is used to preserve the bodies of dead animals. They also contain nicotine. Smoking cigarettes decreases the blood flow to the skin, so the skin isn't supplied with all of the oxygen and nutrients that it needs. Because the skin is deprived of needed oxygen and nutrients, it becomes dry quicker and loses its elasticity. This creates wrinkles at a much faster rate. It isn't yet clear why, but it has been proven that smokers have less collagen and elastin in their skins than do non-smokers. Collagen and elastin are proteins that help to keep the skin soft and wrinkle-free. Cigarette smoke causes those who smoke and those who are exposed to the smoke to squint more. Squinting is what promotes crow's feet or wrinkles around the eyes. Drawing on cigarettes causes wrinkles to form around the mouth from repeated contraction of the muscles. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.